Hello everyone and welcome to the first video in the series on coding your very own smartwatch Clockstar. In this video, we'll guide you through some basic coding, demonstrate how to run the code and how to restore the firmware. Let's get started. First, you must find the USB cable you received in the kit and prepare your laptop or PC. Connect the Clockstar to the laptop and turn it on. Next, go to code.circuitmess.com. If this is your first visit to the site, you'll need to create the account before proceeding. You can either use your email and create a password or link it to your Google account. You can find more detailed instructions on how to use CircuitBlocks in caption. Let's begin by exploring the main menu. Here you'll find the button for creating new sketch, and next to it you'll have access to saved sketches in the future. Scrolling down, you'll see different examples we have prepared for you. And at the top of the site, you'll find options to restore the firmware and to log out. Let's click on the new sketch. In the device section, you can choose which device you are currently coding. Choose Clockstar. For the name of your sketch, write down simple timer, since that's what we'll be coding now. You'll also see the section labeled Editor Type, where you can choose between Visual and Code. Opting for the Visual option allows you to use colorful blocks for coding, while selecting the Code requires you to write the code manually, just like the pros. We'll cover only the block coding part. Let's start. With this code, we'll learn how to continuously change the display's color and LED every second. To begin, we'll need the loop forever block from the loop block section. This ensures that the code is always running. Set the display color to black. You can find the fill frame with black block in the display block section. If you click on black, a drop-down menu will appear for you to choose any color you want. That will come in handy later in the video. When coding anything on the display, we have to put the push frame block from the display block section at the end. Find it and drop it here. Because we can't light the LED in black, we'll turn it off using IO block. To turn off the LED, reduce the intensity of all colors to 0. When you run the code, your screen will turn black and the LED will turn off. Use a sleep 1 second block from time block section to create 1 second delay between the color changes. Now let's switch the color to red. Duplicate the previous blocks and change the color to red, increasing the intensity to 100. Other colors' intensities should be set to 0. You can also duplicate the time block at the end. Repeat the process for blue and green, adjusting the color intensities accordingly. Finally, we want to change the color to white. As you can see, we don't have the intensity of white in the block. This is because the LED produces white light by mixing red, green and blue light. Set all 3 color intensities to 100. Don't forget to include the time block at the end. Now you can click the Run button and the display and the LED will change color every second. You can experiment with different colors and time delays to create unique patterns. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more examples.